Hey everybody. Okay, here I am with my Space 1999 Eagle 2 Laboratory Pod build, Part 7. Okay, I'll try not to make this too long here. I just wanted to show you guys, painted my vertical rockets and my rear rockets, and basically primed everything black, and then I would paint the insides first, and after they're painted I'd use this blue tape and wrap around, make loops, and then put these flat like these here, and then paint them aluminum or whatever color they would be, and that seems to work out pretty well. So that's this part of it. Okay, I finished these parts in here, the gangways, and one thing I forgot to do is I forgot to prime these top and bottom parts before I put this whole thing together. I had primed and painted the sides, so I went ahead and primed the top and bottom, and got to put some more paint, and luckily these were already gray, so any little bit extra of white is just going to be fine. It's just going to look you know, weathered, dirty look. Here's the other piece. Okay, so these come out okay. And okay, last time I showed you guys my progress on the actual lab pod itself, and here you go with some of my shading that I did. And basically, as you remember, this was primed gray, and then I started making it slightly lighter with white, and then I stopped and I started putting some Tamiya masking tape just all over. And as you can see, after I put the masking tape, I started spraying with white, and then I removed the masking tape, and these are the patterns I got. So just kind of random, and I think they look kind of cool. You know, I try to do double shading here on some of these. That's why these look double. That actually doesn't look ridiculously bad, but it's not too bad. I'm not quite sure if I'm done with this, but much better than it was before. So you have the end, see? So that technique works pretty well. Let me show you what I was doing with the shoulder pods. Basically, I'm doing the same thing with the shoulder pods. You go ahead and you just sort of I primed these gray. I sort of painted this one a little bit too white. Actually, okay, so I primed them gray, and I painted the bottom black and the sides black, and then I masked these off so I can paint them white. And what you see there in the middle is, for some reason, when I cut the tape and pulled it out, some of the primer came out. I don't know why that happened, so I went ahead and just put a little bit of the Tamiya primer with a brush, just covered the area that was white, as in plastic white. And so I'll continue on. This one I kind of already started whitening it up. Hopefully it doesn't look bad when I finish it. But these other ones, I just, after the gray, just put a little bit of white, just a little bit of mist of white, and then I just put all these Tamiya panels on, or Tamiya masking tape to create panels, and I'm going to lighten them up just like I did the pod, and we'll see how that works out. So okay, I think that's as far as I've gotten that I haven't shown you guys yet. Keeping moving on here. It's Father's Day today, so I'm going to paint, and next week I'll have another update for y'all. All right, thanks for watching.